Anderson, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for coming, and do not forget to click that subscribe button if you haven't subscribed already. So please click that button. Yes. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing a makeup tutorial for beginners, for those who don't know how to do makeup. So I'm going to be doing a very simple makeup look. I won't be doing my eyebrows. I'll do another eyebrow tutorial in another video. But today I just want to teach those who don't know how to do makeup to do it right for the first time. So before we get into the video, I just want to let you know that I prefer that you do your skincare routine and apply something on your skin first before you put foundation, because you want something to be already in your pores. You don't want the foundation to be in your pores, which can cause breakouts. So I use this Magnolia oil, which I already applied on my skin already, so that I can apply foundation and everything. Let's get into the video. So firstly, I'm going to use my favorite foundation called Just Be Gorgeous, which I got from Jet. The color of this foundation is called Black Walnut. I always advise people to always buy a foundation that fits with your complexion. Next, I am using this rice powder. It helps to mattify your skin. Next, I am using this Colors Limited blusher and bronzer, and I'm taking my fan brush and I'll apply the bronzer on my cheekbones. Next, I am using the Colors Limited eyeshadows, and I will apply the coal color eyeshadow on my eyelids. I will start applying it at the ends of my eyelid. Next, I am taking another makeup brush and I will use the light gray eyeshadow color and apply it at the beginning of my eyelids. I will take another makeup brush and I'll blend the two eyeshadow colors that are on my eyelids. Next, I'm using ADS Mesmerizing Eyeliner Gel to draw my eyeliner wing. And this is how my eyelids look like now. Next, I am using my favorite mascara by Revlon. It is the Ultra Volume 1. Now I am applying Vaseline on my lips before I apply my favorite lip gloss by Black Opal. And I'm combing my wig out so it looks good. And this is the final look, everyone. Very simple and sweet. I hope you like this video. Please like and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Please support me. Thank you for watching. Bye.